Perfect play on AMD that Yanni was calling out. Here on the 5-minute. We had this trend line from pre-market that we were watching on the live stream. If you'd caught it this morning, you'd saw me draw this line. I think it was towards the end. Or maybe it was when I was making the list. I'm not sure. But I noticed it didn't just break trend. You also had kind of a small double confirmation pop up. So you had it break with volume, with momentum. And then you even had your perfect reversal. You had your doji. And then you had kind of a good little bearish engulfing over it all too. Once it got to this, it was even more confirmed because it made the lower low. That was 100% confidence that your play was good. About 80. I'd say about 30. 30 to 40. But I really wanted to record that in a video because that was actually kind of cool. I'm just going to skim the list and see how it's doing so far. Give a small update. I'm not going to do a whole lot of update videos for these lists, but I thought it'd be kind of cool since a lot of things were popping off. SPY's doing really good. That common support. BA's crashing. I just posted that in both chats. EA bounced off of the line that I said to watch for puts. I said do not play calls. I'm not really keen on playing calls on a whole lot of stocks right now, especially at these levels. Let's go back to BA real quick. So here on level 2, what I'm watching is how close the spread's getting, the bid and ask. You got your buyers and your sellers. But what I like to see, like right now, if we were to continue down, I would like to see these numbers lower as well as these numbers at the same time. But looks like we're going to get some consolidation before we see another move because the spreads are pretty loose now and they're going to get closer. Well, for BA at least. They got a little looser there, actually. That might go down now. You also want to watch this and see crazy orders go through. So you had 10,000 sells, 1,000, 1,000, 2,000, but you had a bunch of buys in between. So you're kind of evening out a little bit. So you might have more of a... Plus, this candle's only like 40 seconds old, so... This candle's still got a good ways to go first. I don't really like watching the 5-minute anymore. We can come back to that. Look at that. Wait, let me make sure that was my level. 4 beyond. Yeah, 68 was my break below. Look how clean it did that on the pre-market low. It didn't just break it, it came up. And just like in the live stream that I say, I said don't play this. This is like 30 to 40% confident. You can play it, but you need to know you're going in aggressive. If you do get this retest, that's like 80% confidence that that's going to go even more. This is probably going to create a lower low right here as I'm speaking. We'll see, though. What's VIX doing? Whoa. Created a lower low, but we'll see if it stays there. It's going to come up and retest where my cursor line's at. It's going to retest that between there and there. Damn, had a lot more sales come through. I also saw those get really close. Those tightened before it loosened up again. I just look at everything here as like a squeeze. When you see those numbers get close, I kind of see it as like Bollinger Bands getting really tight, contracting. Definitely turn these on and just start watching them a lot more, like on crazy stuff. Like right now and beyond, this looks crazy. See, that got looser and both these numbers started going down. You also want to see the size. I mean, if you got like 100 or something there, that's something big. But that's why this helps so much. You can see the size and everything. See the craziness going on. Look at that, creating lower lows. So beyond was pretty clean. Facebook, that was one of my favorite ones. That one did the same thing. Raw out the gate. Honestly, it even kept creating lower lows. Just kept going. Fell out of that channel, kept going. See how Zoom did? I said Zoom was probably going to be crazy today. Aha. What are my levels on Tesla? 541.50. Pretty much right under that line. My target was 544. Oh, damn. My target was like here. So enter, exit. And it kept going. I did say in the live stream to watch 550 though, because that was a crazy mark. Below is 535, so still got a good ways there. It did use it as a support here though, so that's a strong line. I'm gonna post that in chat right now, actually. Do not want anybody to miss out on that one. All I'm calling out is the crucial support there at 535. If you happen to see this and play it, hit me with a comment, or if you happen to just review it, that'd be cool too. Post this in both chats. Because even if you don't play it, I mean, reviewing it, seeing, you know, why we did look at this the way we did, it's always good too. All right, that's posted. Go back and see how our other plays are doing. EA is still bouncing. BA finally hit support. Is that 150 mark? Yeah, that 150 mark. She likes to stick there. In a market like this, you really want to be watching out for the psychological whole numbers when you get these drastic moves. Like if we would have popped this level and had momentum going up, I would have been watching like 170. Like that would have been my next like thought process, like 165, 170, which you can see here, it kind of did stop at 165-ish. It really did most of its support catch at 150. I'd say this is the overreaction of the catch. So it's probably going to pop from here now. Well, not pop, but we'll see if it creates a higher high to consolidate in this range or not. A lot of indecisiveness and all that volume, though. Sellers getting out, buyer stepping in, it looks like. You want to see more volume here, too. I'm on the 1 minute, not the 5 minute anymore. Let's go to the 5 minute. The 5 minute, that was a clean catch. Will she retake this, though? She needs to retake this to get up back into this zone. So on and so on. Let's check out AMD. I'm sure Yanni is hyped right now. Made its lower low too. Here's that. This is the, I guess you could say the high. Then you got your lower high. Or sorry, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. What you would want to see next, if you see a continuation in the downtrend, is you're going to want to see it come up and not retake this level. That's all that really is. Nothing crazy there. So I think that's all I'm going to go over in this video. I just wanted to give a small update on some of the stocks I saw on the list already kind of popping off. Facebook's still dropping. I'd set a line here. Let's see if she catches there. Draw your support, and then you want to see what kind of momentum she has going towards it. Am I getting a bunch of sell here? Am I getting a bunch of drastic fear here? How's VIX doing? How's ADD doing? How's SPY doing? How are futures doing? Well, what is everything doing? Get the bigger picture while you're sitting here waiting for the smaller picture to develop. I don't watch level 2 as much. I watch time and sales on everything though, as well as all 4 of these in volume. That's all I really use now. Keep it simple. You can use indicators too. There's nothing wrong with that. I have nothing against that. Below VWAP though. This is just an intraday indicator. It's kind of like watching Bollinger Bands, but for just the day, I guess you could say. It's not exactly that though. Let's go look at Yanni's call out. Ooh, good lines, good lines. Someone told me to chart this in the pre-market stream, and now my friend's calling it out. Oh, no, wait. Okay, wait, I did say Tesla was going to come back. Oh, got a kind of a bear flag there. If it rejects, it's going to fall a lot harder back down towards the yellow VWAP line. EA still going. Wow, retaking support. EA might be good for. I'm just not too keen on playing calls on that one. I wouldn't be super confident on that one. Let's go see. Okay, so Facebook caught support kind of close to where I drew my line. I just drew next known support, which was. Oh, I should have scrolled left more, but I just did top of after hours yesterday. But actually it caught on that line, so as you can see, yesterday's, I guess that's not the high. Nope, that is the high. Yesterday's high was that support of that drop, and that's why marking these lines are so important. I'll go over this indicator. Let me show you. I'll go over this indicator that would help you see all that in another video. But it's an indicator I'm going to release to the chats pretty soon. But let's clear all the lines I drew. You would have had that line there for you on an indicator already before the day even started. Pre-market low, pre-market high, high of the high of today, I guess. Here's the. Oh, this is close of today. Okay, I need to change that name. But this is the indicator I'm probably going to release into the chats. So be on the lookout for that video. If you're interested in this, just be looking out in my channels in the chats. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. This is just an update video and just a bunch of other stuff. So I'll see you in the next one.